Hi, I'm Nick Kenny, Executive Director of the Greeley Philharmonic Orchestra and the host of Nick Snacks on 1310 KFKA, Northern Colorado's Voice. And I am here representing the Teen Center, or the TC as we call it on the streets. I am so excited to step outside of my comfort zone and try something new. I'll always try everything twice, just in case the first time was a fluke, and I have not yet tried professional dancing. I've danced before in the past, but it was just kind of a mockery or because of a show called for it, and I was just trying to have fun making a fool of myself. But I think one of my greatest strengths to help me win is I have very little to no shame. It is so important that you vote for me, and only me, to be the winner of the Weld County Dances with the Stars. All the money raised goes back to the Boys and Girls Clubs, but we know which club is the best, and that's the Teen Center, the TC, represented by Nick Kenny here. So every dollar counts, every dollar matters. If you want to throw some money to the others, that's fine, just to make them feel like they've contributed something, but it really comes down to Nick Kenny and the Teen Center, because rumor has it, if I win, when I win, they're gonna build a bronze statue of me for how much money you helped us to raise for the Boys and Girls Clubs of Weld County. So go to the website right now and vote for Nick Kenny and the Teen Center.